Alright, so this is gonna be the 2019 180p. 1080p HD remake of this 52-inch antique brass Hampton Chatham ceiling fan from 2007. I did a video of the Armstrong Northman yesterday, so let me show you the blade tip real quick. Let me bring the camera over here. It's on the tripod. See, reversible. I believe oak to walnut blades. I think it's top right there. All right, and I'm doing a video with commentaries. All right, let me put my phone right back on here on the tripod. Now start the fan. Is it on tripod? Hold on, guys. Alright. Now start the fan up. There's a pull chain right here. Some light. And a fan on low speed. There's low. There's low speed. Oh, good. And it buzzes a little bit. Let me bring the camera over here so you can hear it better. Let me bring the phone over here. It's on a tripod. It's my new phone, actually. You can hear it buzz a little bit. It don't buzz that much. Now cut it on medium. Phone back over here. Zoom in a little bit. He's on the tripod. Yeah, it buzzes a little bit. Alright, here goes high now. There goes high. Yeah, it kind of wobbles a little bit. Yeah. It used to buzz, but it don't buzz that much no more. Yeah. The fan doesn't turn off when I turn off the light. The fan doesn't turn off. It's just the light only connected to the switch is only connected to the light, except for the ceiling fan. Alright, now I'm gonna cut it off. Yeah, it kind of buzzed. And that's just about it. That's my mom's 52-inch Hampton Chatham Hulker ceiling fan. And enjoy the video and thank you for watching. Bye.